Hey everyone, if you're facing a Google account synchronize error on your Android device, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Google from synchronizing. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. Next, manually synchronize your Google account. Go to Settings, then Accounts, select Google and tap on your account. Now tap three dots in the upper right corner and synchronize now or enable synchronizing for specific services like Gmail, Contacts or Drive. If you see an error message, continue to the next step. If the issue continues, clear cache and data for Google services. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps depending on your phone. Then find Google or Google Play services. Tap Storage and select Clear Cache. Do the same for Google Play services. Restart your device and check if the synchronize issue is fixed. Finally, if nothing works, update your phone's software. Go to Settings, find Software Update, and install any available updates. If the problem persists, consider resetting network settings or even doing a factory reset as a last resort. And that's it. Your Google account should now synchronize properly. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android fixes. See you in the next one.